Air Inlet Cowl, removal and installation. To remove the air inlet cowl, the fan cowl doors must be opened. Connect the special sling to a hoist and attach the sling to the air inlet cowl hoisting points. Using the hoist, hold up the weight of the cowl and remove the bolts. Then disconnect the pressure tube and electrical connectors of the P2T2 sensor and remove the coupling at the anti-ice duct connection. Move the air inlet cowl forward to disengage it. Then carry up and lower it on to a support. The air inlet cowl installation is the reverse procedure. During the installation, take care that the inlet cowl locating pins engage correctly to the front engine flange. Then install and tighten the bolts. Finally, reconnect everything up and remove the sling equipment. In case of mechanical rupture or failure, the air starter can be easily removed online. First, release the clamp of the lower air duct at the air starter inlet junction and discard the gasket. Hold the air duct and release the clamp at the start valve outlet junction. Then remove the air duct and the clamps. Release the quick detach clamp and disconnect the starter from its adapter housing. With the starter removed, it is possible to see the drive pad and the splines of the adapter where the starter is engaged. Also on the starter, you can see the turbine rotor section, the engagement splines, and drive shaft. The installation of the starter is the reverse procedure. Note that during this task, new gaskets must be installed. Common nozzle assembly, removal and installation. The common nozzle assembly, or CNA, can be removed easily. Place the special dolly in position. And raise the support up to the CNA. Loosen and remove the 56 bolts which fix the CNA to the engine flange. Disconnect it. Then lower the assembly and move it away from the engine. For transportation, it is recommended to attach the CNA to its support. With the CNA removed, it is now possible to see the exhaust plug in detail. The installation is the reverse procedure. Engine boroscope inspection. We will now see a presentation of the Boroscope equipment. First of all, a rotator kit is installed on the cranking pad near the starter for manual drive of the HP rotor. Then, to inspect the affected sections, the corresponding Boroscope port covers have to be removed. Here are the Boroscope port covers removed from the HP compressor, Stage 3, Stage 4, Stage 7 and 8, Stage 9 and 10, Stage 11 and 12, and the HP turbine, Stage 1 and 2, Stage 2, and LP turbine. The Boroscope inspection requires skill and competence. When inserting the Boroscope probe, we can examine the blades. And by turning the compressor, we can detect if there are some cracks, nicks, or tip damages. Here, the operator is inspecting the HP turbine first stage vanes through an igniter port. And here we can see the leading edge of the HP turbine first stage blades. In fact, it is through this unit and an optic fiber that the pictures can be picked up and transmitted. Fan blade, removal and installation. An individual fan blade can be changed easily if it is damaged. In this case, the fan blade must be changed with the same moment weight. First, remove the inlet cone. With the inlet cone removed, the front blade retaining ring is now accessible to remove it. Remove the 22 bolts which secure the annulus fillers between the fan blades and the 36 bolts which maintain the front blade retaining ring. Next, install puller bolts at 6 hole positions. And tighten them. Using these puller bolts, release the front blade retaining ring from the Stage 1 fan disc. Turn the fan so that the blade to be removed is at 12 o'clock position. Then, remove the 2 annulus fillers of the corresponding blade. Pull the blade forward along the dovetail slot and remove it. Note that the moment weight of the fan blade is identified on the bottom face of the blade root. For the installation, align the replacement blade with the disc dovetail and install the 2 annulus fillers to their initial position. Reinstall the front blade retaining ring and secure it. Next, install the 22 bolts which fix the annulus filler. Finally, reinstall the inlet cone and leave the work area, making certain that it is clean and clear of tools and other items.
We will now see a fan cowl door installation. First of all, prepare the aircraft for maintenance tasks on the engine. On the transit stand, attach the hoisting sling to the lower part of the fan cowl door and secure it. Then, on the opposite side, attach the sling to the upper hoisting points and secure it. Remove the fan cowl door from the fan cowl transit stand with the sling and the hoist, and carefully install the door. Examine the fan cowl hinges and the pylon hinges and make sure that they are not damaged before aligning them. Install the bolts and nuts. Make sure that the bolts are installed in the same positions noted during removal. Deploy the hold-open rods and engage them on their attach brackets on the fan case. Finally, remove the sling and return to the initial aircraft configuration as defined in the close-up subtasks.